Jag tror vi kan räkna till 7 olika typografiska stilar här. Ja
means I, pronounced
yang.
with a hard
G.
sound like in go. It's a personal pronoun. First person singular. Nominative case. Subject of the verb.
Tror.
Means believe or think. Pronounced
Tror.
with the
O.
sounds like in more. It's the first person singular present tense form of the verb.
Tro.
Indicates an opinion or assumption.
Vi.
Means we. Pronounced
Vi.
It's a personal pronoun. First person plural, nominative case, subject of the verb.
Kan.
Means can, or able to. Pronounced
Kahn.
similar to the English pronunciation. It's a modal verb, indicating ability or possibility.
Räkna.
Means count or calculate. Pronounced
Reh-kna.
with a short
I.
and a clear
K.
sound. It's the infinitive form of the verb, here used in the infinitive after.
Kan. Till.
Means to or until. Pronounced
Till.
similar to the English pronunciation, though often with a shorter vowel sound. It indicates the limit or end point of the counting.
7.
Means 7. Pronounced
Shayo.
with a
She.
sound like in ship and a u like in put. It's a cardinal number.
Olika.
Means different or various. Pronounced
Olika.
with emphasis on the first syllable. It's an adjective modifying.
Typografiska stilar. Typografiska.
Means typographical. Pronounced
Typografiska.
with a long
I.
and several clearly separated syllables. It's an adjective modifying.
Stilar.
Indicating styles related to typography.
Stilar.
Means styles. Pronounced
Stilar.
the. In the beginning is almost silent, with a long
I.
It's a plural noun, referring to different typographical styles.
Här.
Means here. Pronounced
Här.
with a short
A.
It's an adverb of place, indicating the location of the 7 typographical styles. Putting it together.
Jag tror vi kan räkna till 7 olika typografiska stilar här.
Means, I think we can count to 7 different typographical styles here. It's a statement expressing a belief about the number of typographical styles present in a specific location.